Welcome to the technical operation video of the S100 Pro controller. We will guide you through each functional area and step-by-step operation of this controller. Before using the S100 Pro controller, it is essential to understand its power input requirements. This ensures safe and efficient operation of your equipment. On the front of the controller, you'll find the power terminal area. This is where the power wires are connected to supply electricity to the controller. Pay attention to the markings on the terminals indicating the positive and negative poles. The positive pole is typically red or marked with a plus symbol, while the negative is black or marked with a minus symbol. We recommend using wires with a maximum cross-section of 2.5 square millimeters to ensure sufficient current capacity. Ensure the wires meet local safety standards. When connecting the power wires, ensure the positive wire is connected to the positive terminal and the negative wire to the negative terminal. Correct polarity is crucial for stable operation and to avoid damage. Before powering up, check your DC power supply to ensure the output voltage matches the controller's required 24V/48V and the current output meets its specifications. Safety first. Ensure all connections are secure and no wires are exposed before powering on. If uncertain, consult a professional electrician or refer to the user manual. Once everything is set, turn on the power switch. The controller's indicator light will illuminate, indicating that power is connected. Now, we will guide you on how to correctly connect the controller to the roller. Ensure the 9-pin square plug of the roller cable aligns with the 9-pin square socket on the controller. When connecting, ensure the white line on the 9-pin square plug of the roller aligns flush with the outer edge of the controller's 9-pin square socket or is slightly positioned inside the socket's edge. Firmly insert the plug into the socket. You will feel resistance, indicating a secure connection. Now the controller and roller are connected, and you can proceed. Before operation, check the connection status. Let's use the controller's indicator lights to confirm it. If the controller is not connected, the yellow light stays on, the green light is off, and the red light flashes periodically. When connected, the yellow light stays on, while the green and red lights turn off, showing a successful connection and system readiness. Check these lights carefully before operation to ensure the connection is correct. Proper indicators are essential for system functionality. Next, let's explore the I/O functions of the S100 Pro controller, essential for precise control. I/O1 is an external analog input. By connecting a 0-10V signal, you can adjust the roller's speed steplessly. Ensure DIP switch 8 is on and the run port is enabled. I/O2 and I/O3 are fault outputs. Configure them for 24V or 0V fault signals as needed. Refer to the manual for details. I/O4 is the reverse input. Connect the same signal as the run port to enable forward or reverse operation. I/O5 and I/O6 control the roller's start and speed. Run A for 100% speed, run B for 50%, and connecting both of them for 75% speed. I/O7 is the COM port, used for configuring multiple signals. I/O8 is the 485 communication port for data exchange with other devices. These interfaces enable precise control of the S100 Pro controller. Explore the S100 Pro controller's dip switch speed adjustment feature, a crucial capability that allows you to fine-tune the roller's operating speed based on your specific needs. First, let's look at the low speed mode. When function dip switch 1 is set to OFF, you can select different speeds using the following dip switch combinations. Speed level 1. All switches OFF, speed is 500 RPM. Speed level 2. Switch 1 on, speed increases to 719 RPM. This progression continues up to speed level 16, where all switches are on, achieving a speed of 3,485 RPM. When function dip switch 1 is set to on, the controller switches to high speed mode, offering higher speed options. At high speed mode, speed level 1. All switches OFF, speed is 3,800 RPM. Speed level 2. Switch 1 on, speed rises to 4,127 RPM. This continues up to speed level 16, where all switches are on, reaching a maximum speed of 7,031 RPM. For precise speed values for each setting, we recommend referring to the S100 Pro Controller Manual. It provides detailed speed specifications and corresponding dip switch combinations to help you make accurate adjustments. The S100 Pro Controller's dip switch speed adjustment feature offers a wide range of speed options, from low to high, ensuring your equipment meets diverse operational demands. Next, we will show a comparison video to give you a clear visual of the roller's performance at different speed settings. This will help you better understand the practical application of the dip switch speed adjustment. As you can see, the left screen shows the low-speed operation, while the right screen shows the high-speed operation. This visual comparison makes it easy to spot the differences between the various speed settings. The DIP switch speed adjustment feature of the S100 Pro controller offers flexible speed control options, while ensuring communication accuracy. In the S100 Pro controller, acceleration and deceleration control is equally important. It affects the roller's efficiency and safety. Now, we will demonstrate how to fine-tune the roller's acceleration and deceleration performance using the dip switches. By adjusting these 4 dip switches, you can choose from 16 different acceleration and deceleration times, ranging from 0.3 to 3 seconds, providing you with a wide range of options to suit various operational environments and needs. Here are the specific settings for acceleration and deceleration times. Level 1. All switches off. Acceleration/deceleration time is 3.90 seconds. Level 2. Switch 1 on. Time reduces to 2.44 seconds. Adjust the dip switches further until level 16, where all switches are on, with the shortest acceleration/deceleration time of 0.39 seconds. Adjusting the acceleration and deceleration times is crucial for the smooth operation of the roller. Shorter times provide fast response, suitable for emergency starts or stops. Longer times help reduce mechanical stress, extend the equipment's lifespan, and are ideal for applications requiring smooth starts. To give you a clearer understanding of the effects of different acceleration and deceleration settings, we will now show a comparison video. The left screen will display the effect of fast acceleration and deceleration, while the right side will show the demonstration of slow acceleration and deceleration. This will help you choose the appropriate acceleration and deceleration times based on your specific application. The DIP switch acceleration and deceleration function of the S100 Pro controller provides a wide range of adjustment options, ensuring the flexibility and smoothness of roller operation. In the S100 Pro controller, the function dip switches play a critical role. They determine the controller's operating modes and performance. Now, let's take a closer look at the specific functions of these dip switches. First is the dip switch 1. When switch 1 is either off or on, the controller will drive the roller to run at the corresponding speed based on the selected speed setting. Note that the speed adjustment range is limited by the factory set minimum and maximum speeds. Dip switch 2 controls the roller's rotation direction. When switch 2 is off, the roller's default direction is forward. When switch 2 is on, the roller will rotate in reverse. The DIP switch 3 is used to toggle between open-loop and closed-loop control modes. In open-loop mode, the controller does not adjust the roller's operating state, while in closed-loop mode, the controller continuously compares and adjusts the roller's state to enhance control accuracy and stability. The DIP switch 4 is fault recovery mode. When off, the controller requires manual recovery after a fault. When on, the controller will automatically self-check after a certain period following a fault, and if the fault is cleared, it will resume normal operation. The DIP switch 5 allows you to switch between energy-saving and performance modes. In energy-saving mode, the current is lower, suitable for lighter loads. In performance mode, a higher current is provided to handle heavier loads. The DIP switches 6 and 7 control the braking mode. When both switches are off, it's electronic braking. When switch 6 is on and switch 7 is off, it's free braking. And when switch 6 is off and switch 7 is on, it's servo braking, providing resistance that increases with the angle. Finally, the DIP switch 8 determines speed-adjusted mode. When off, the controller uses the internal DIP switches for 32 speed adjustment. When on, the speed is adjusted via voltage changes from external I/O ports. These function DIP switches provide you with comprehensive control over the S100 Pro controller. Whether it's speed adjustment, direction control, fault recovery, or braking modes, these features cater to your diverse needs. In the operation of the S100 controller, it is crucial to understand how to identify and address common faults. Hall sensor faults first. When the controller detects an anomaly in the Hall sensor, the corresponding indicator light will turn on. This usually means that the sensor may be damaged or improperly connected. Next is the undervoltage fault. This indicator light will illuminate when the power supply voltage drops below the minimum voltage required for the controller to function correctly, signaling you to check the power connection or the power supply itself. The overvoltage fault indicator light turns on when the power supply voltage exceeds a safe threshold. This could potentially damage the controller, so immediate action is required to reduce the voltage. Finally, we have the stall fault. When the roller cannot rotate due to a blockage, this indicator light will alert you to a mechanical obstruction that needs to be cleared or checked. If the roller is free from obstruction and can rotate normally, please contact technical support for further troubleshooting. Correctly identifying these fault indicators is the first step in maintaining the equipment's healthy operation. We recommend referring to the controller's user manual for more detailed troubleshooting guidance when faults occur. The S100 Pro controller is designed with a comprehensive fault detection system, ensuring that you can respond quickly and address any issues.